This is the Jack and Jill set. It comes with the teacher's handbook and 2 workbooks and a pack of erasable colored pencils. In the Jack and Jill workbooks, they use nursery rhymes to teach spelling. First, the kids start by reading the nursery rhyme, and sometimes they have to look for periods, commas, capital letters, different things like that. Maybe words that rhyme. And then they have copywork. They copy a few lines from the nursery rhyme. And on the second page, they practice writing and tracing letters. In the second part of the page, they are listening to your words and tracing them and writing each one. As they move on in the workbook, then you start doing box dictation, and you have 3-letter words that you dictate to them, and they have to write them down and spell them correctly. In the student workbook part 2, they're still working with the same nursery rhymes as in the first book, but now they are also looking for vowel chunks, and they highlight them with their colored pencils. And in the second page, this is copywork. So workbook 2, they do 2 pages, the same as in the first workbook. But now they, besides doing the first page where they're looking for vowel chunks, silent E's, this is a bossy R chunk. These are letters like A-R, E-R, I-R, O-R, U-R. There's also consonant chunks that they look for. And towards the end of the book, they're looking for more than one in a page. So here they have silent E's, tricky Y guys, consonant chunks. So for the workbook part 2, the first 3 days is copywork. They copy sentences from the rhyme for 3 days. On the 4th day is the no rule day. They can pick if they want to draw a picture or write a sentence or 2 that's something that has to do with the rhyme of the week. And on the last day, it's dictation again. This time they're writing more than just a few words. Now they're writing the whole passage from dictation. In the instructor's handbook, it goes over everything that you need to know to teach the lessons. But in the back, it also gives you the daily dictation lists. So these are the ones that you read to your child for the first workbook. And this is for workbook 2, passages for dictation, where they're writing the whole passage. And it also has the answers in the back when they're looking for chunks and which color they need to be highlighted. This also goes over, this is the guide to chunking. It has tips and just goes over everything that the kids will be learning in this spelling curriculum.